I have right here electric scooter that I received from CyberCart shop, and this is their bestseller. This is isinwheel GT1, a foldable electric scooter that is easy for transporting when it is folded, and it has 10 amp hours battery, 48 volts, with range up to 45 kilometers. Of course, in the optimal situation, because it depends on the weather, the terrain, the user weight, and other things. But up to 45 kilometers you can ride on it. It has mobile app for controlling it and locking it. It can be used for off-road, but it also can be used for city driving. Out of the box, its maximum speed is 25 kilometers per hour. So in many countries it is street legal, and it is well packed. As you can see, the box is shiny because it has additional layer of protection, so it won't get that easily destroyed in transport or on a light rain. So let's unbox it and see how it looks like and what do we receive in the package. Let's try to take it out of the box. And we just like this take everything out of the box. The box is empty right now. Here we have a pack, isinwheel GT1, 10 amp hours battery, 800 watts motor, rear disc brake, isinwheel. And we have a few protection zip ties. Let's cut them. Let's try to unfold it. One more zip tie on the back. Now let's unfold it. And here's another tag on the front. We have folding instruction. First step, detach the lock screw from the folding interface, position the folding handle onto the folding mechanism, and insert the long screw into the hole. Then fasten the short screw on the opposite side to secure it. Tool required as 2.5 screwdriver. After installation, securely fasten the folding handle in place. Here is the screw to unscrew it. Let's put back the screw. I will tighten it later. And let's open it. And it is locked in open position. And now we have access to this. And right here we have a bag that we can mount inside or outside of this front pipe. But inside there are more things. This probably will be charger. It is the charger, two parts, the main brick and the cable, and its output is 54.6 volts, 2 amps. Next thing is user manual in French, German, Polish, 3 languages we have right here, and a card from isinwheel with the contact to them. And right here, last thing, the tools. We receive full kit of tools and screws, and we receive 3 wrenches and 6 Allen keys. So now I can tighten the screw. Let's continue unboxing. Everything was really well protected. Let's now assemble this handle and let's see the manual, what they say. Let's see in English, the 4th language in the manual. Here we have the package contents, scooter, charger, toolkit, spare headlight mounting hardware kit, and manual. Everything is correct. Assembly, I've already done it. I've put upwards the main bar. And next step is mounting the handle. So we unscrew the 4 screws, put it right there, and screw it back in. And here we have written steps. Third step, remove 4 bolts pre-tightened on the handlebar clamp. Fourth step, place the handlebar in the handlebar clamp. Fifth step, adjust the handlebar to a desired position and angle. Retighten the bolts of the handlebar clamp. Angle adjustment of the display is required for easy bolt tightening. And step 6, tighten the bolts of the display clamp. First we mount the handle, then we tighten the display. So we put it right here and adjust the angle that we want. I think something like this should be fine. And let's screw it back. And now when the handlebar is ready, let's lock the display. And the display is now locked in place. And let's remove the protection from the screen. And step 7, now the scooter is fully assembled. So it's ready. We can additionally mount this back on the front or on this side to keep some things with us. And there is second protection on the screen. And we have product overview, throttle level. So right here, control panel right here with 6 buttons. We have horn, lights, powering, plus, minus, and M. So not a single button panel that we have to guess how to click it. We have 6 buttons with different functions. So it should be easy for use. We have front and back brakes. And here we have the charging port. And we have all the functions of the buttons written. And on front we have blinkers. You can push it left or right. And the mobile app. Let's download the app. isinwheel is the name of the app. So the same as this company. Let's power it on. And it is in the app. And now I can lock it. And now when the scooter is locked, it is beeping and it is blocking the movement. When I try to move it, it is blocking me from moving it. And when I unlock it, now I can freely move it as I want. And we can control everything from the app, the modes, the headlights. And we can see the mileage that we have of our scooter. But also right here we have a big screen. And you can see the speed, Bluetooth, modes, battery voltage, the speed, the distance. So a big advanced screen with all the informations. And when I press the brakes, the light on the back is blinking. And let's test the blinkers. Here on the side we are blinking. And the same from the other side. The throttle is also working. And let's try one more thing, folding the scooter. We move this ball up and unlatch it. Let's try. It's not that easy. It requires some force to unlock it. And now we can lock it on this side. Here we have 3 bars. We can use 2 of them for locking. And here is the hook. And we can lock it on this or the lower one. Let's put it right here. And we have a hook. And we can lift the scooter easily. And later unhook it and open it back and lock it on front. So an interesting scooter. I will test it outside in another video, but it looks quite interesting and well prepared. And that's all for today. Like, subscribe, and be nice.